It's time to get another check of the weather. 4029 meteorologist Robert Suhr is with us tonight. Hot and dry has been kind of nice, I guess, for summer, but when is it going to rain again?
There is a chance for that as we get toward midweek, and then the huge question mark is what happens with Tropical Storm Nicholas. We could get quite a bit of rain from that, we could get a little bit, or we could get absolutely nothing at all. So that's kind of where we're going to start with our forecast focus. What we know for certain is it's going to be sunny and a little bit breezy to open up this upcoming week. So a very nice start to the week. And then starting tomorrow, the humidity will slowly start creeping back up into the picture. And then we're closely watching the tropics to see what Nicholas does. Now, we talked about that humidity. You can really see it here on the water vapor imagery. All this is that nice, dry, comfortable air that we've been experiencing. But the push from Tropical Storm Nicholas is pushing more moisture-laden air towards our area. The first fingers of it reaching the Arklatex area right now, down near Texarkana, and that will slowly make its way toward our area over the next 24 hours or so. So you'll notice a little bit tomorrow, much more on Tuesday and Wednesday. Temperatures right now mostly in the upper 80s, Northwest Arkansas, River Valley, right around 90 degrees on average, but still not bad out there. We did have some gusty winds earlier, but they're still subsiding a little bit, just some spotty reports of some gusts across the area, but it's been so stagnant, the air, you kind of notice when the air is blowing a little bit. You can see those southerly air direction on our wind streams here as we take you hour by hour tonight. Maybe a couple of high clouds developing when you head out to work or school tomorrow. Temperatures mostly in the 70s. And then by tomorrow afternoon, we talked about earlier, one or two spotty showers, I think especially south of I-40. Those will quickly get out of here, and then waking up Tuesday morning, again, we're mostly in the upper 60s to right around 70. Now, here is a look at the satellite picture, the infrared, with Tropical Storm Nicholas, kind of, again, loitering around in the Bay of Campeche. Here's the eastern coast of Mexico here, very disorganized right now. Still expected to remain a tropical storm. The latest advisory just has winds at 40 miles an hour. It'll kind of hug the Mexican and Texas coast here before making landfall. But notice as we get toward the end of the week, it really slows down. And you can see this is the cone of uncertainty here. It could be back as far west as on the other side of Dallas or be into eastern portions of Louisiana. This cone is going to change dramatically over the next couple of days because we're still trying to figure out where it's going. The reason for that is when we look at the runs of all of the hurricane models, what we call the spaghetti models, they are all over the place as to where Nicholas might go, but there is a cluster of them saying it's going to come right to our area. And that's something we definitely have to pay attention to because that could bring us some much needed rainfall. Lows tonight mostly in the mid to upper 60s. We'll rebound tomorrow about where we were today in the upper 80s to right around 90. Extended forecast. This could change dramatically as we get more information on what Nicholas may or may not do, how much rain or how little rain Nicholas may bring us. And this would not just be for one area. If some of those tracks actually happen, much needed rainfall would come to the entire viewing area. But again, it could go well east of us and miss us totally. We'll be keeping a close eye on it. Stay with us. Jordan Black is back after these messages with your sports update.